Hi friends, welcome to KapilCodeHub. So today we will be discussing about the one of the important thing which is regarding a version system. So let's go in understanding about that. What is the meaning of versioning and why this is be required in a S3 bucket? So just we imagine that we have a images or we have some kind of objects which we want to be stored in our computer. So ideally what's going on? So if is it possible that we can able to store a multiple object with the same name with the same extension in a single folder? The answer is no, because that not to be possible, right? So in this case we will be see that how it works with this using a cloud environment. So cloud provides an infrastructure. Cloud give us a feasibility to do this thing. Cloud give us a possibility that we can able to do with this kind of scenario in this cloud, and how it works, how it to be used. So for that please see my entire video, then you will see all those things. All right, let's jump into the screen. Now you seen that I have a dashboard which I have opened it. In this dashboard, so let me just open my admin. Okay, this is just my S3 bucket. So over there are some files over it. Okay, so now let's try to with this part. As of now, this is my clean bucket, nothing be else. And this how to be create this bucket, that video I have already posted in this group, in this YouTube channel. You guys can take a follow up it. So now let's see on this part. So let me see you. Let me look about that the file name. Now this is the case here. Okay, in this folder structure, you seen that I have a three different files name. 1, 2, 3, right? Is it possible that if I want to be keep it a 1.png and 1.png in a single folder? That's not possible. Now, let's try with that. We say that with this name, with this extension, the file is already exist. Either you choose for a different name or choose for a different location. And this is a common behavior to every computer. Now we will be see to me while uploading these files to this S3 bucket how it performs, how it works. So let's jumping into this thing. So let me do one thing. Let me just upload the section of upload and let me just drag and drop this file to the my console. Okay, it will provide this feature. Oops. Okay, great. So it's be deployed and let me just click on to upload. So now I'm uploading this image. Okay, add user, add to group, and this is also I have already added in my group. So now in the S3 version system, in the AWS S3 version, we will be see all those things that how to be create a version. But before that, we just need to see this thing. Okay, now you see that I have this file in my system. Let me show you. Let me click on to open. It will gives me a pop-up. Okay, yeah, this is the file which I have stored, which I have get it from my computer and put it in my S3 bucket. Now let's see into my another file name. So there the file name I'm just changing. So here is 1.png. I'm just changing my this file from let me first rename this file from 1 to 1.1. Okay, because I require a same name file and I just want to see that will it be work in the cloud or not. Let me upload it. Okay, so earlier I was uploaded this one, now I'm uploading this one. So let me just hit okay. Great. It's uploading. Great, upload completed. Now let's see that. Okay, now earlier we have but we haven't seen any two different files. Where is my another file? So let's see that what could be a file this is. Is this my this one or another new one? Oh, it means that so where is my this file is gone? It means that my like by default AWS also work like that way. AWS S3 bucket work also like and that way that if adding a same name, same extension file in a single bucket, it will automatically be replaced with the newer one. So how do we keep it both the files? This is the question comes in a picture. How do we keep both the files? So now for that we need to be enable the settings in the properties. Now I'll show you about that. In the property now you see in there are option over there a bucket version. Now let's to be understanding about a work version system. Version mean there are same kind of component, same kind of text we have created multiple versions. That's called a version system, right? Now in this case, you've seen that as of now by default, AWS provided these version as a disabled. This is super important, guys, to be think about that, okay? Because ideally, this is a disabled position. So what I need to do, I just need to be enable this thing. So what I need to go first, I just go to properties, then I just navigate to the bucket versioning, then I just need to click on to edit. Over there, I just need to enable it. Once I enable it, okay, once I enable it, it will only reflect to my upcoming objects, not my existing objects. Okay, this is generally also interview question. Also, there are sometimes they're asking about that, like when we enabling or when we're adding a version system, will it be impact to the other older objects? No, the answer is no. Okay, since when we have turned on or when we have enabled the version system, then the version system will work to the objects. Now you see that earlier it doesn't have any kind of option. Now it gives me a Amazon provides a radio button over there or some check mark or on off button, you can say that. So based on that I can able to see this thing. Earlier it doesn't, it by default it should give me these fields. When I select onto this thing, now Amazon provide an additional field with the name of version ID. Earlier it wasn't be there, but now Amazon give us a version ID. Now let's see that how to be. Now will it work in this case? Now I have enabled a version system. Okay, will it be able to keep or will it be able to upload multiple files with the same name with the same extension? That way we will be see it. So now my version is being turned on. Okay, let me upload with the same name file. Now my file is this is right, but I want to be upload this file also. So let's see about that. Let me click on to upload. Navigate back to my yeah, there I have used my this file. So let me first change the name of this 1.2 something like that. So I'll do one thing, I'll use this image. Okay, so this image I have a 1.png. Now just okay, so what we need to do, I just need to be deploy this image, upload this image to the S3 bucket. Now let's see about this thing. So let me do one thing, let me just drag and drop over there. Okay, drag, drop, upload. It's uploading. Almost done, almost done, almost great. Uploaded images uploaded to my S3 bucket from my system. Now let me close this thing. Oops, it still shows a single image. Why is it? But I have already enabled the version, but why it's not able to show me? That's a surprise thing, guys. This is a surprise part that here you see that it gives a radio button or an on off button, you can say that. In on off, when you're turning on this button, show version, now you see that it gives me a version ID. Now S3 bucket work, it doesn't not like see in this case S3 bucket has just changed their unique identifier. Earlier the unique identifier was their name. right? Whatever the name we are putting over there, that is a unique identifier. Now S3 just change their unique identifier from the name to the version ID. Now doesn't make sure that I can able to upload n number of time with the same name. It just generate a new version ID. I'll be show you about the files now. Okay, now I have this file. Let me close this thing. I don't have anything. So now let me open this file and also another file. So this is my 1.png file and this is also my 1.png file, and both are my different file. That's a strange thing, na? That's a nice thing. So this is a feature. This is a feature provided by Amazon S3 bucket. So we can, while using this feature, we can able to we can able to upload a multiple files, and this will be beneficial when we working with the Terraform file, when we are working with an Terraform project, because over there ideally whenever they deploy, whenever they push anything, the name will be always be in an idle state or the same name files. So by using enabling a version, it's it will be easier to be understanding. And it's not only about that we are keeping a multiple files in the S3 bucket. No, the question here it is, by using this thing we are also enable a backup of this thing. Okay, like enabling a backup of these files. So this is all about a version system. So if you want to be see more videos about this S3 about the AWS part, please comment about that part. And I have already recorded some of the videos in my YouTube channel KapilCodeHub. Please subscribe that one. And if you have any question, any queries, you guys can ask to me. And I have also a website over there, KapilCodeHub.com. So if anyone want to be a person, all right. So this is all about that you have seen regarding the version system. You have seen that how to be create, how to be upload the multiple files with the same name into the S3 bucket. If you want to, if you like it, if you really solve this problem for you, that would be nicer to me also. And please hit the like button and subscribe my channel KapilCodeHub. And now we are keep posting our videos on our channel, so please subscribe so that you guys cannot miss any new videos. And one more thing, whatever that I'm teaching you, those all are the latest trend, latest things. Okay, so please be subscribe my channel. Thanks to everyone.